All right, we're going to do some searching along the route with the 2497 LMT. Yes, the 2497 once again, because we're going old. Just to show you, that one right there. Which means this applies to the 2597 and the 55, 56, 57, 58, 65, 66, 67, 68, 25, 89, 25, 99, 26, 89, 26, 99, and so on. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the 66 with the same route, but we're going to do it a little different. So I'll go ahead and go to the trip planner. And we'll do where I am now. Yep. And then add a destination. Oh, there it was. Do airport. That one. Okay. Let it do its initial calculation. Save. I'll just call it DFW. Okay. So let's back up, have a look. Yep. Okay. Right. So we're going to start this trip. Gotta make sure I'm in simulation. Yeah. I would suggest doing this in simulation mode actually when you're initially making the route. So just go to navigation. Just make sure the GPS simulator is on. Okay, apps, trip, and go. And we'll start there. Okay. Actually, nope, that's not what I want. Try it again, this time to the destination.
At the end of the street, turn left. Turn left on North Library Street, then take the first right.
Yeah, that's what I want to see. Okay, so the way we're going to handle this one is actually something I showed in a recent video, which I'm going to take my finger, go outside the vehicle icon, because if I tap the vehicle icon it shows this. So I go outside of that, and then I go to two-dimensional, and then I go for this guy right here, and I show gas stations, which will show gas stations along my route. See the blue dots? So I'm going to back up a bit. Watch what happens when I back up. Now, when the icon shows, then the blue dots show, but if I zoom out too far, that's what happens, then the blue dots don't show up. But I'm going to do that anyway because I want to go to roughly 50% of the trip. Let me back up a little more. Yeah, right around here. And watch up here, because when the gas station icon shows up, then, oh, there it is. Oh, there's one right there. Okay, but we'll go over this way a bit. Okay, right here. So I can go to that one or that one. I'll go to that one. Go. Add to active. Yep. Start to here to there. That's what I want. Okay. Do not. Go to two-dimensional. I'm just backing up the map so I can check. Oh,
Turn left on North Library Street, then take the first right.
and there it is. So now I go back over to apps, back the trip planner again. Now I have an unsaved trip, so I'll take this one, hit the triple line menu, save, DFW2, back, okay, and back in the trip planner again. There we go. Well, first, stop, apps, trip planner again, get rid of this one, take this one, rename it EFW. Back, back. There it is. Okay, and we look at the map. Yep. With our stop. Done. Nice. So just to recap, what I did here is I'll just launch this trip again. And I'll just say go here. Go back in the two-dimensional. So what I did is I made an initial route, started it in simulation, and then I tapped the map, hit the little magnifier. I want to show the gas stations. Okay. Wait a second for it to show up. And then, you know, it'll show once I'm zoomed in proper. Yeah, there it goes. Yep, there they are. And then I can just pick one and go and add to active. Okay, very good. Now that's one way of doing it. The other way is what I showed with the DriveSmart 66. So if I do the same thing where I go apps, trip, DFW, go, we'll just, yeah, I'll just do this again. No, actually, yeah, that's what I want to do.
Turn right on Preston Road, then turn left.
Is using the up ahead method. So if I go here, now if you don't see up ahead, you have to hit the wrench and add it. And then up ahead. And then from one of these, okay, if you do not have gas stations here, you have to tap one and hit this wrench and then add in gas stations. Okay. And you'll see it says searching near my route. So there we go. We've got gas stations along the route. Very good. And then I could just add one in. I can hit go and add to active from there. So that's a different way of doing it. It works. Is there anything else I could say? No, that's pretty much it. I think. I'm trying to think if there's any other way I could go about doing this. I don't think so. So and stop. Yeah, this is admittedly a roundabout way of doing it, but you know it's a doable thing. Oh, yeah, I forgot. There's one other thing I can show too. If I just do the trip, actually, where am I on the map right now? Where am I on the map? Oh, let's go back to the, yeah, right there. I want to be there. Okay. Right. Okay. So if I start the trip again from apps, trip planner, DFW, go, start. No. Okay. Now, there is another thing that I can do here from up ahead, whereas if I want to do a custom search for something, I'll just take rest areas and change that to a custom search. For example, Tom Thumb, which is a grocery store chain, and pick that icon, save, and then tap that. As a matter of fact, I don't even think I need to do that. No, I don't have to. Oh no, yes I do. Yes I do. Because if I just do the search, it will be searching gas stations. So I need that custom search in there. The initial search, when it starts, will take a few seconds, as you saw. But yes, I can add that one in if I want to. So that is a way, and it says where. So that's what part of the trip where this will appear. Okay. And I can go and add to active route. So if you want to add something that is not one of these major categories, you can just do a custom search and then put in what you want and then wait for it, which I said takes a moment, and then go ahead and either get information on it and go, or just go directly, add to active route. And then do the same thing as before, where you go in trip planner and it would show the my active route, and then take that and save that and then delete the old one, rename the new one. Yeah. Again, roundabout way of doing it, but there you go. That's how you search things along a route using the trip planner and some little map tips and tricks to get the route you want.